What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, the 29th of May, Monday morning. Taking a look at Casper Tether CSPR USDT is the ticker symbol, CSPR USDT. Welcome to the channel, guys, over here on tradingview.com. Taking a look at a daily chart. We'll take a dive into Casper's charts as well as Bitcoin moving up to a level we recently spoke about. So let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. We'll bounce back here to Casper. BTC USD right here, guys, having a nice bounce over the past couple days. Let's zoom into the charts. Cryptocurrency markets, of course, are trading today. Stock market is closed Monday. So, guys, we so far have double bottomed here off of this. So we had a bottom over here. Support came in right around the 25,760 level we've had on our chart. Traded sideways into resistance of this neckline. Found support for the 25th of May at 26.23 was our double bottom, and rallied and broke out yesterday, actually, of this range, putting in a new recent higher high, the 28th of May. And where are we, guys? What level did we speak about in the last Casper video? Probably the last couple. 28,249.67 as our first target and or our resistance level. Where are we reversing off of today? 28,249.67. We did trade higher than that, actually. 28,473. But we are below that level. And it was hit perfectly. So we'll see. Do we pull back to give or take 25,600 or so, which would be finding support at this neckline and then move higher? Let me show you a 3-minute time frame on our reversal off of the 28,249. Here it is. Traded above it. Market pushed it back below. 3-minute time frame actually looks pretty good. Perhaps we'll see another test as soon as today back up to this. Doesn't look like it's ready to quite roll over. And judging by the price action, this thing could be ready to go again. So, which would be good for the overall market, which would be good for Casper. See higher prices here. But right now, we hit our first target, so we'll have to see how long it hangs out there before either one breaks back above it and we head higher into 29,140s, 30,140s, 30,200 is our most recent resistance level, 3,234 up in here. So Bitcoin has moved from the bottom, which was probably about a week ago, roughly 8% to the upside. So keep your eye on that 28,249, and then if that breaks, 29,143 above the market for Bitcoin. Back to Casper, what today's video is all about. So similar action we've seen for Casper, big support off of 0.0466 right here, guys. Had this line on the chart for a very long time. It acted as support over here. Let's see, the date was the 22nd of April. And it got tested, looks like once again on the 12th of May. Basically, this whole month has been getting tested. Very good support. And then on the 26th, big rally, 6% day for Casper, taking us up into some more recent targets, resistance levels. I want to show you that the top of this consolidation has turned into support. So right here, it has flipped. It was resistance, broke out here, got retested as support, and so far that is what's holding. So we are into some overhead levels here, some overhead resistance levels once we rallied off the 466. So we're actually just about underneath of it now, if I'm correct. Yes, we are. So 0.0509 is our first level right here. It's kind of a gray line on the chart. You can see the price is trading at 0.0508, and This is a pretty important level. You could see the 27th, 28th, and so far today, the 29th of May, all having a tough time getting a close above that. Let me zoom in for those of you on your smaller devices, cell phones, iPads, etc. Right here, this line on the chart, 509. The price, 3 days now. We don't have a close yet on today's candle, but today's the third day that the price is not getting above that and holding. So we have confirmation on the 27th and the 28th that we traded up into there, closed below. So that's a major resistance right there. Today's candle actually made it above 522 and 524, big candle wick below that. So the supply above the market in this area of this most recent consolidation, basically from 628, which is up here, where that resistance came in on the 1st of May. So basically from 628 to 522, 509, give or take, all major resistance, a lot of supply over the market. Definitely giving Casper a run for its money here. It's giving it a battle. So depending on what Bitcoin does, this looks similar to Bitcoin, give or take. Bitcoin is reversing off the 28,249 level. Casper is reversing. We saw XRP reversing. Lots of things are reversing. Bitcoin starts to get above that level and starts to move, into that next $30,000 level. There's a good chance we'll see Casper follow suit, perhaps getting us back above, the 522, 524 level. A nice solid close above there would be good. Excuse me. That takes us up into the 571 and then testing those most recent highs here of 628. So Casper has moved in the past couple days, 7%, call it 8%. And then this most recent high here takes it up quite a bit more, 13 to 14%. So it looks pretty good unless they stomp on Bitcoin. I don't see these lows being undercut here for Casper. I don't expect something like this to take place. Not saying it won't happen, but there is some solid support coming in here for Casper. And then Bitcoin as well. I'm surprised that Bitcoin is showing so much support. So as long as that can hold, we should see higher prices here across the board. Bitcoin, Casper, XRP, XLM, etc. So let's talk about some overhead price resistance levels, targets, as assuming the market will move higher here. As always, keeping your eye on Bitcoin. So if we can get above this cluster of 509, 522, 524, that takes us all the way up to 571. So that finally gets us away from this cluster of 3 resistance levels up into 571. Above that is our most recent consolidation, or the most recent high is up there at 628. That's where this found a top on the 1st of May. So let's work ourselves above that. That takes the price up to the 670s, 680s, and then into that 720 level up in here, guys. So big things potentially coming here for Casper. Once we get above the 727, I only have something up here at 12 cents on my chart. So I'll definitely have to fill in the blanks here, as there should be some resistance and target levels in that area. But this thing could really get rocking once it breaks above this 628 level. And for those wondering what that would be on a percentage basis to get us back to that most recent high, just about 25, 26%. So it's very, very exciting here. So this thing is essentially up for this year 93%, 94%. Casper cryptocurrency up 93 to 94%, give or take, for 2023. Not too bad when the stock market is not even close, not even half of that, not even a quarter of that. Although it is rallying very nice, the NASDAQ starting to move very, very nice. See if it holds. So if you did not know, guys, you can send and receive Casper now from the UpHold platform. From your UpHold account, you can send, you can receive Casper now. I know a lot of holders were concerned about that, as in, I want to buy Casper. I'll buy it on the UpHold platform. It makes sense. It's easy. It's inexpensive, etc. But I don't want to hold my Casper within my UpHold account. I want to move it to, another address and a wallet, etc. Well, you can do that now, guys. I put out a video, probably my last video actually, or 2 videos ago, the Casper, talking about Casper and UpHold and how you can move it off of that account onto a wallet or a separate address. So exciting for those Casper holders. In a nice uptrend here, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Just waiting for that next higher high above 628. But do not ignore Bitcoin, guys. Do not ignore what Bitcoin does. You guys have a great Memorial Day Monday. Hope everybody has had a great holiday weekend. Hang in there. Let's see what these markets are doing. So far, they are moving to the upside across the board, we'll say, Bitcoin and the stock market. Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and share this video. Join us here. Turn on those notifications. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. You know how to do it. And as always, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Have a good one.